Hello, good morning, respected sir, ma'am, and my dear friends. I am Komal Swansya. Today I am going to present some thoughts about Bharat Ratna Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, popularly known as Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Ambedkar is called as the father of the Indian Constitution since he was the chairman of the Constitution Drafting Committee. He was an Indian jurist, economist, and Dalit leader. He was born on 14 April 1891 in Madhya Pradesh. He was the first law minister, independent India. He was considered as the chief architect of the Constitution of the India. On 29 August, he appointed chairman of the Constitution Drafting Committee. Ambedkar is one of the greatest leaders in Indian history. He is one of the greatest personality and hero of our country, and he is known as leading politician and an economist. He achieved a degree in political science, economist, law. He was a member of the Constitution Drafting Committee but caste-based. He was treated as untouchability and subjected to socio-economic discrimination. Ambedkar belonged to Mahar caste. They were not allowed to sit inside the entire life fighting against social discrimination against the lower caste. He was appointed by the Assembly to write Indian new constitution. The new Congress-led government invited to serve as nation's first law minister. Ambedkar formed political party which was called Indian Labour Party. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was a great personality and having inspirational life from childhood award. He had various qualities like honest, long visionary attitude. Ambedkar was appointed to the upper house of the parliament, the Rajya Sabha in March 1952 and would remain as a member of till death. He died on 6 December 1956 at Delhi, age of 65. His popular slogan was "Life should be great rather than long. Life should be great rather than long." His birthday is celebrating as a public holiday in India, popularly known as Ambedkar Jayanti. He was the first Indian to complete a doctorate degree overseas. Ambedkar is recognized as the father of the Indian Constitution. He was the 14th and last child of her parents. His father's name was Ramji Maloji Sakpal and mother name was Bhimabai Ramji Sakpal. His family from Marathi background. He was the first student from Mahar caste. Ambedkar secured 2 master's degree and bar at law. He had 4 doctoral degrees